clutch repair of my 88 Mustang. And I got to pull the engine, so I'll show you why towards the end here. Okay, just show you all the parts I have ready to go here. This is pressure plate, stage 2. Those are my header bolts from Totally Stainless. This clip right here, that's for the clutch cable bell housing, to bell housing. Pilot bearing, roller pilot bearing. This is your clutch alignment tool. Okay, clutch disc, Ford Mini Racing Starter, high torque. There's the throwout bearing, brand new throwout bearing, of course, brand new clutch fork. If I can get this off, that ball, it's ball stud, they call it. This is the bell housing. That's a spacer plate, bell housing spacer plate. I need to clean it up, but it's okay. Oh, and I'll go over some bolts here and show you why I wanted to get new bolts. I could have used some of the old ones, but didn't want to do that. Even these little bolts right here, there's a stock one. I've got those. Okay, and then these right here, there's 4 long ones, 2 shorter ones there. I have those right there. Here are the shorter ones. And there's the washers for that. That's for that. Okay. This is, here's my new loop flywheel. And that's why I decided to change it. Look how nasty that one looks. These little dowel pins right here. Got to press them in here. And the Luke already has them installed. Very nice. Here are the new bolts for the clutch disc. And the reason you want to do that is, here's an example of an old one. See how the heads are worn off of it? Here are the 6 of them right there. I still got them, but I'd rather use new bolts while I got it apart. These bolts right here with the Loctite on them. There's 4 of them there. Got to use a wrench like this too, 12 point. This is a drive shaft bolts. Got to get it. I don't know exactly what the torque setting is. I'd have to look it up, but it's a lot. These bolts right here. Okay, these are the transmission bolts. Big old bolts, and you can see how the heads are worn on there.